Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a great day yesterday making up some things. I know several of you retook and made up some things, and I'll be putting those in the grade book today. If I haven't gotten to it already, I'll be checking through all the private messages and things that I got today if I hadn't finished it. If I didn't finish it today, I'll look at it. Several of you sent me some private messages and retook, so I'll take care of that. Also, please make sure you're working on your assignments to get those through 14 days if you get it done. Think about that. Um, and I want to go through today really quick. Of course, the announcements. I've got a little bit of information about watching the video. I'll also want you to look up here. I want to show you, if you're looking for Google Meet, it will be right up here. Not there. It will be up here. I may have this background changed, but it will be right there in the Meet link in the morning at 10. I will have one Google Meet, so if you need me, 10 to 11, send me messages if you don't, if you have a question. Anyway, so today's assignment, let's get right to it, is going to be your study guide for your summative tomorrow. If you can get through the study guide with no problem, you should be fine for the summative. So let me go over it. It's a Google slide. Okay, so it says study guide for summative tomorrow over comparing rates of change and equations. Here's the directions. You're going to go through these problems by yourself. 15 to 20 minutes is all it should take. Go through those problems all by yourself. See what you can do. If there's some that you struggle with, move on. Do the ones you can. And then when you finished, so you're going to go through number 1, changing that one, number 2, setting it up in y equals mx plus b, number 3, setting that graph up and the table up in y equals mx plus b. And then you're going to go to the next page and you're going to compare these two. Well, you have to answer this question about from 1 to 4, which is the lowest rate of change to the highest, and then determine the lowest y-intercept. Then you're going to take these two tables and graph and compare them on 7A, B, and C. Now, I do want to go through, once you finish this, once you go through it as much as you can, get all your answers. If you click the emoji that's in the TV, there is a video right there that'll come up, and you can watch a video that I created going through all those answers. You'll see all the answers going, and there's a video, and I go through every one of the answers and I review with you. And the questions for your summative will be very similar to this. Okay. And it won't be long at all. It won't be a long summative. Will just be, I just need another summative in the grade book, and it'll probably be multiple choice. All of it will be multiple choice, but I want you to be able to do it without multiple choice. Okay. So pay attention to the video. Pay attention to any little errors that you make so you don't make them later on or tomorrow. And have a great evening. Let me know if you have any questions. If I need to open up another Google Meet around 1 o'clock, I will. Send me a message if I do. If some of you have questions. Those of you that are working late at night, you don't have the ability to talk to me because I'm not going to be online on Google Meets after 3:30. If you have questions, you need to wake up in the morning and get to me sometime during the day. You need to send me a message and make sure that you don't have any questions so we can get this taken care of. Make sure you study through this video, and it should not take you long tomorrow. It won't be a long summative. It will be multiple choice. It will be in Google form, so you're familiar with it. I won't do anything different. So hopefully you guys will not have a problem. I don't think you will. We've been doing this long enough, and then we'll see where we go from there. I hope you have a good day. Let me know if you need anything. I love you. I miss you. No, 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 no.